Hello plant enthusiasts and green thumb gurus. Today we're diving into a botanical secret that garden centers don't always tell you. What if I told you that some of your favorite plants are actually masters of disguise? Shapeshifters capable of transforming their entire identity. Prepare to have your gardening world turned upside down as we reveal the 8 plants that defy expectations, offering you unparalleled versatility and perhaps a touch of intrigue. Bougainvillea. With its vibrant paper-like bracts, it isn't just a pretty face. While you might know it climbing a trellis or spilling from a pot, this plant can be trained to stand alone as a small majestic tree, or even meticulously shaped into a bonsai. Its willingness to be root-bound means it's content in containers for years, secretly plotting its next transformation. Hydrangea, the beloved bloomer, harbors a surprising range of forms. Beyond the classic shrub, certain varieties like the panicled hydrangea can be guided to grow into a graceful, small tree, while the climbing hydrangea aggressively scales walls and structures, reaching impressive heights. This adaptability makes it a covert weapon in any landscape, thriving in dappled sun and moist, well-draining soil. Wisteria, known for its cascades of fragrant lilac blooms, is a true botanical marvel. Often seen as a powerful vine, a little strategic pruning and staking can coax it into becoming a stunning freestanding tree, bringing its breathtaking spring display right to eye level. The American Wisterias in particular are less aggressive, making them easier to control and perhaps less likely to reveal their secrets. Cape Honeysuckle, with its fiery orange and crimson flowers, might seem like an innocent rambling shrub, but don't be fooled. This plant is an aggressive climber that, with consistent training, can be tamed into a more structured shrub as its stems mature and become woody. It thrives in full sun, attracting hummingbirds and butterflies, all while secretly adapting its form. Roses, the timeless symbol of beauty, hold more tricks than just their thorns. While most commonly cherished as shrubs, some varieties are expert climbers, and others can be meticulously trained to mimic miniature trees. This flexibility allows them to fit into almost any garden design, always demanding at least 6 hours of full sun to reveal their full splendor. Jasmine, the purveyor of intoxicating fragrance, is another plant with a hidden agenda. This aromatic beauty isn't confined to a single form. It can grow as a small tree, a dense shrub, or an elegant climber, reaching significant heights. Its white or pale pink flowers emit a rich, sweet scent, making it a powerful presence no matter what shape it takes. Fuchsia, with its delicate dancing blossoms, often appears in hanging baskets, but its true potential is far greater. While many varieties are dainty trailers, some can be encouraged to grow into small, elegant shrubs. Varieties like the scarlet fuchsia can even become substantial bushes, reaching several feet tall, all while providing stunning multicolored blooms. Viburnum, the energetic ornamental, is indispensable for its shape-shifting capabilities. These popular flowers offer blooms from early spring and striking foliage into the fall. Though their shallow root system makes them appear vulnerable to drought, regular watering unlocks their true potential, allowing them to transform from shrub to tree, or even a vine-like presence. And there you have it, the botanical shapeshifters, plants that offer more than meets the eye. They're waiting to reveal their full potential in your garden. If you enjoyed uncovering these plant secrets, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more garden mysteries, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next revelation. Until then, happy gardening!